I got to look inside the MetalPay platform, and it's a whole lot more than a glorified bank card. In fact, the whole financial part is maybe 10%.
What's the rest of it?
A combination of things. Surveillance, tracking, biometric reporting, social credit. I mean, they may be planning to start with the money, but whoever has control over this system has control over the whole world and everyone in it.
You said social credit, which means they're going to force you to either conform or be kicked out of the system.
Yeah. And if you lose access to MetalPay, then you can't even buy food.
They're going to pretend like it's not mandatory. Act like we actually have a choice. Download the app or starve to death. Pretty powerful marketing campaign.
Yeah.
Their brains are turning to mush.
Months of hypnotic research embedded in the most user-friendly photo app ever made. Ooh. No.
Come in, B-Day is happening now. It's all in the phones. Armstrong is using an app to brainwash the parents. Get out! We have to stop the show.
Hand in hand, we speak a language no one else can understand. Hear those cheers, strike up a band. You know that divided we'll fall, so together we stand.
Nana? Mom? Oh no!
Everybody, how about a standing ovation?
They're zombies!
We did it! The baby revolution has begun. No more need for costumes. Who wants cake? Oh, there's gonna be a playground. Now we can make parents do whatever we want.
Awesome! Yeah!
No more rules. Sayonara, Mama and Papa. Yay!
Mom? Dad? Grandpa? Whoa, are you kidding me?
We need to shut it down before it goes global.
What are we gonna do?
Okay, we need to find the big, whatchamacallit that controls the parents' phones.
The server.
Yes, yes.